For those of you looking to part ways with PocketGuard, deleting your profile is a straightforward process, but there are a couple of crucial steps you need to follow to make sure everything is properly closed. First and most importantly, deleting your profile does not automatically cancel your PocketGuard Plus subscription if you have one. You must cancel the subscription manually through the App Store, Google Play, or the Apple App Store, where you originally purchased it. If you skip this step, you'll keep being billed even after your profile is gone. Check your App Store subscriptions before you delete your profile. Once you've taken care of any subscription, you can delete your profile directly from the PocketGuard mobile app. Here's the step-by-step for the mobile app. Open PocketGuard on your phone or tablet. Look for the main sidebar or menu, usually accessed by tapping an icon with 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, typically in the top corner. Scroll down through the menu options until you find and tap on Billing. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's where the option is located. Inside the Billing section, you'll see an option labeled Delete My PocketGuard Household. Tap this option. The app will prompt you with a confirmation. Deleting your household means all of your financial data, personalized settings, categories, transaction history, and financial institution connections will be permanently wiped. Make sure you are absolutely ready to lose all that information. Confirm the deletion, and your PocketGuard profile and all its associated data will be removed from the service. If you're using the desktop version, the process is slightly different. Log into your account on the PocketGuard website. Look to the left-hand menu and find Settings. Once in Settings, you might need to scroll all the way down. You should see a section or button to close your account or a similar option. Click that and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the closure of your profile. Remember, if you ever change your mind and decide to use PocketGuard again, you'll be starting completely fresh with a brand new profile. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you're deleting your profile because of a problem with the app, PocketGuard encourages you to reach out to their support team first at support@pocketguard.com. They might be able to help solve your issue and keep you as a user.